नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, FYBSC अल्जेब्रा पेपर फर्स्ट मध्ये आज आपण कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर या चॅप्टरवर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करतो आहोत. फाइंड टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स whose sum is 4 and whose product is 8. Let Z1 is equal to x1 plus I y1, first complex number, and Z2 is equal to x2 I y2, second complex number, be the two complex numbers by given conditions. First condition is that their sum is 4. Z1 plus Z2 is equal to 4 by first condition, and second condition that product is 8. Therefore, Z1 into Z2 is equal to 8. So, Z1 is x1 plus I y1, Z2 is x2 plus I y2 is equal to 4. If you collect real part, that is x1 plus x2, this x1 and this x2, real parts, plus imaginary part I y1 plus I y2, that means taken I common, into the bracket will be y1 plus y2 is equal to 4, and this 4 can be written as 4 plus I into 0. That means here there is no imaginary part, that means 0. Now comparing real and imaginary parts of left hand side and right hand side, we will get x1 plus x2 is equal to 4, that is real part, and I, that is imaginary part, coefficient of imaginary part to left side is y1 plus y2, and towards right side is 0. So y1 plus y2 is equal to 0. Value of x1 is equal to 4 minus x2, and from this you will get y1 is equal to minus y2, relation number 1. Take second condition, that is Z1 into Z2 is equal to 8. Z1 is x1 plus I y1 into Z2 is x2 plus I y2, and that is equal to 8. Now if you multiply, you will get x1 into x2 plus this into this, that is I x1 y2. Then multiply by I y1 to this, so I x2 y1, and I into I, that is I square y1 y2, and that is equal to 8. I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, this relation will become x1 x2, this is minus 1, that means minus y1 y2, and taking I common from these two, you will get I common into the bracket x1 y2 plus x2 y1, and that is equal to 8, and this 8 can be written as 8 plus I into 0. Here is no imaginary part, only real part. So 8 हा रिअल पार्ट आहे, प्लस इमॅजिनरी पार्ट नाही, म्हणजे त्याचा कोएफिशियंट 0 आहे. सो I इंटू 0. मग आपल्याला परत यांची कंपॅरिझन करायची. कंपेअरिंग रिअल अँड इमॅजिनरी पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस, यू विल गेट x1 x2 minus y1 y2. This is real part of left side, and 8 is real part of right side. So comparing these two, that means equating these two, you will get x1 x2 minus y1 y2 is equal to 8. Now comparing imaginary part, this I coefficient is this I coefficient is this. So comparing imaginary part, that means x1 y2 plus x2 y1 is equal to 0. This is relation number 2. Now from 1 and 2 you will get, if you substitute x1 is equal to 4 minus x2 and y1 is equal to minus y2. This is from 1. Substitute these two values here. So x1, that means 4 minus x2. This x2 as it is, minus y1 means minus y2. This y2 as it is equal to 8 as it is. Now solve 4x2 minus x2 into x2, x2 square. Now this minus become plus, and y2 into y2, that is y2 square. This is equal to 8, relation number 3. We also know that x1 y2 plus x2 y1 is equal to 0. If you substitute x1 is equal to 4 minus x2 and y1 means minus y2 here, these two substitution, you will get 4 minus x2 into y2 plus x2 into minus y2. This is equal to 0. That means 4y2 minus x2 y2 minus x2 y2 is equal to 0. So 4y2 minus x2 y2 minus x2 y2 will become minus 2x2 y2, that is equal to 0. Now if you take 2y2 common, so you will get 2 y2 is taken common, minus this 2 and y2 is taken common, so only remains x2, that is equal to 0. So 2y2 is equal to 0 and 2 minus x2 is equal to 0. In this way y2 is equal to 0 and x2, if you take to right side, x2 is equal to 2. So y2 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 2. These are the two values. Now put y2 is equal to 0 in equation 3. So this is equation 3. 4x2 minus x2 square plus y2 square is equal to 8. So here y2 is equal to 0. If we put, then you will get 4x2 minus x2 square plus 0 is equal to 8. If you take all these two towards left side, so equation becomes x2 square minus 4x2 plus 8 is equal to 0. If we find the root of this quadratic equation, you will get x2 is equal to minus b, that means this, plus or minus root of b square, that means this square, minus 4a, a is this 1 and c is 8 upon 2a, that means 2 into 1. Coefficient of square term is a, coefficient of middle term is b, and last term is c. So minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula will give you root of this equation. So minus minus will become plus. प्लस और मायनस रूट ऑफ -4चा स्क्वेअर 16, हा प्रॉडक्ट झाला -32. 32 minus 16, that is -16. This 4 upon 2 1 the 2. If you take root of this, that will become this 4 plus or minus square root of this is 4i. You know that 16 minus 1 means I square. So I square is -1, that means square root of I square is I. Square root of 16 is 4. So plus or minus 4i upon this 2. If you take 2 common from numerator into the bracket, you will get 2 plus or minus 2i upon 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. So x2, that means root of this equation, are 2 plus or minus 2i, which is a complex number. This is complex number, but x2 is real number. Therefore x2 is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i is not possible. Therefore y2 is not equal to 0. You know that we have taken y2 is equal to 0, substituted in equation 3, then you got this root x2 is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i. But this root is not a real root. This is complex number. Therefore, if this is not root, that means y2 is not equal to 0. So put next x2 is equal to 2 in equation 3. Then you will get 4 x2 is 2 minus x2 square, that means 2 square, plus y2 square as it is equal to 8. इक्वेशन 3 मध्ये आपण x2 ची किंमत 2 भरू, कारण आपल्याला दोन किमती मिळाल्या होत्या. एक x2 2 मिळाला होता आणि दुसरा y2 0 मिळाला होता. पण y2 0 आपण इक्वेशन 3 मध्ये भरलं तर जी x2 ची किंमत मिळाली ती काही रियल रूट नाही आली, म्हणून आपण y2 इज इक्वल टू 0 घेतलेलं नाही, ते रिजेक्ट केलं. आता आपण दुसरी किंमत घेतली x2 इज इक्वल टू 2 आणि ती आपण इक्वेशन 3 मध्ये भरणार. म्हणजे 4 x2 म्हणजे 2 मायनस x2 चा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 2 चा स्क्वेअर प्लस y2 इज इक्वल टू 8, 4 टू द 8, 2 चा स्क्वेअर 4, हा y2 स्क्वेअर आणि 8. 8 मायनस 4 हे दोन्ही आपण पलीकडे आणले. हा y2 चा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 8, हा 8 इकडे आणला राईट साईडला मायनस झाला हा आहे, आणि हा 4 राईट हँड साईडला प्लस झाला. प्लस 8 मायनस 8 विल गेट कॅन्सल. सो y2 स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 4 येतं. सो y2 इज इक्वल टू प्लस और मायनस 2 येतं. थोडक्यात x2 ची किंमत 2 येते आणि y2 ची किंमत प्लस और मायनस 2 येते. मग आपल्याला x1 काढायचा आहे. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे x1 इज इक्वल टू 4 मायनस x2 असं आपण लिहिलं होतं. म्हणजे 4 मायनस x2 ची किंमत आता 2 आलेली. सो x1 ची किंमत आली 2. आता y1 काढूया. तुम्हाला माहिती y1 इज इक्वल टू मायनस y2 असं आलं होतं, पण y2 ची किंमत आपल्याकडे प्लस और मायनस 2 आहे, म्हणून हा मायनस कंसात y2 ची किंमत प्लस और मायनस 2, दॅट विल बिकम मायनस आणि मायनस मायनस प्लस, दॅट मीन्स मायनस प्लस 2. याचा अर्थ x1 ची किंमत 2 येते तेव्हा x2 ची पण किंमत 2च आहे. y1 ची किंमत प्लस और मायनस 2, y2 ची किंमत पण प्लस और मायनस 2, हे मायनस प्लस म्हणजे प्लस मायनस, y1 ची किंमत पण प्लस मायनस 2 आहे. आता रिक्वायर्ड नंबर जर आपल्याला लिहायचं ठरवलं तर आपण काय करूया, जेव्हा x1 ची किंमत 2 घेणार तेव्हा खरं तर y1 ची किंमत मायनस 2 येते, आणि x2 ची किंमत 2 घेणार तेव्हा y2 ची किंमत पण वरची बघ 2च येते. अशा रीतीनं पहिला नंबर येणार 2 मायनस 2i, तर दुसरा नंबर येणार 2 प्लस 2i. धन्यवाद.